It's a great thing for a man to walk on the moon, but it's a greater thing for God to walk on the earth. Mystery creates wonder, and wonder is the basis of man's desire to understand. I believe that every human has a finite number of heartbeats. I don't intend to waste any of mine running around doing exercises. Man must understand his universe in order to understand his destiny. Opportunities will be available to you that you cannot imagine. A picture does a great job, but it's not nearly like being there. There are places to go beyond belief. If you don't know who you are, a university is an expensive place to find out. Gliders, sailplanes, they're wonderful flying machines. It's the closest you can come to being a bird. I think we're going to the moon because it's in the nature of the human being to face challenges. It's by the nature of his deep inner soul. We're required to do these things just as salmon swim upstream. I think if there was anything I learned from our skipper was that it's not how you look, it's how you perform. Research is creating new knowledge. In flying, the probability of survival is inversely proportional to the angle of arrival. The eagle has landed. It's a brilliant surface in that sunlight. The horizon seems quite close to you because the curvature is so much more pronounced than here on Earth. It's an interesting place to be. I recommend it. Well, I think we tried very hard not to be overconfident, because when you get overconfident, that's when something snaps up and bites you. I can honestly say, and it's a big surprise to me, that I have never had a dream about being on the moon. It never hurts to have friends around, so that's why you'd form a crew. Figure out how to build a brand and stick by it so people know what to expect. In much of society, research means to investigate something you do not know or understand. This blowing dust became increasingly thicker. It was very much like landing in a fast-moving ground fog. I was elated, ecstatic, and extremely surprised that we were successful. Now and then I miss the excitement about being in the cockpit of an airplane and doing new things.